Hey, what's up guys? It's Lo here from Nino and Lo, and I just have a bunch of my bulbs here that I've forced indoors. It's finally spring. I'm had enough of this cold weather. I just want to bring some spring color in and get rid of the winter blahs. So let's do this project and get some color into the house. That I am going to pot up and make a lovely scape on my window to get some spring color in here. So hopefully I don't make too much of a mess. So I have these bulbs. They're mostly daffodils, but there are some tulips that spent most of the winter in my garage. So they had their cold stratification period over the winter in the unheated garage. And I am now that they've started sprouting, gonna pot them up kind of like this because they will sprout in water. So I've just put some pebbles here. Now you can get these at the dollar store. You can get nice looking marble type ones or just regular looking river rock. And you can see this daffodil bulb here has a few roots in there. Now this probably needs a little bit more water because the water should just be hitting here where the root is beginning. So I'm just gonna grab some more water. Now you can get creative here. You can use any type of glass vase with the river rock, or you can use a container, a beautiful crystal bowl, anything that you can have a little bit of water in so that the bulbs can rest in that. So about there, I would say, is pretty good because you don't want to give it too much water and rot the bulbs. And as you can see, we already have some action coming from the tops, and it just makes it a nice looking way to display the bulbs. So I'm going to go ahead and just get these others into these other containers here. Actually, I think I will place the bulbs in. You don't have to smush the roots or anything. Just kind of gently place them in there. And these fit fairly snugly in here and they'll kind of hold themselves up. Now you just want to water to just where the roots are starting here. I would say almost there, just to the bottom of the bulbs. Just a little tip, when you're watering your bulbs, just add about a teaspoon of vodka in the water that you're using to water the bulbs. I think that's about good. Alcohol will kind of stunt the growth in the stem and prevent the bulbs from falling over. Now, don't use any alcohol with too much sugar. That's why vodka is suggested. You wouldn't want to use wine or beer or anything like that. I think I like the way that one looks. So a little trick that I do, I just take a regular water bottle, plastic one, cut it in half, take my glass container, just kind of put this upside down in the container just to take up a little bit of volume. I have my pebbles here, and I just fill up the container. This way I don't have to use as much of the rock, because these bulbs really don't need that much water. Yeah, that's about it. And I'll just fill this with a bit of water. Just a little bit more. Oh, might be, yeah, that's about right. And that's it. I'll post updates on our Instagram and Facebook pages. So if you're not following, jump over to Instagram and Facebook at Nino and Lo and follow us there. I'll just leave you with a few of these images. You can use any bulbs. I use tulips and daffodils, but you can also use hyacinths. A lot of people have good success with hyacinths. They're a little bit too strong for me indoors, but you could make beautiful arrangements of several different types of bulbs. So that's it for this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.